Today is one of those days where I'm gonna be out and about essentially from sun up to sundown. So I am going to take y'all with me so y'all can see exactly what this day is like. Stay tuned. First stop of the day is back to Elmwood Park. Got the third unit of this new construction. It's basically all complete. Got the inspection of the third and final unit. They all have to go through the same process: inspection, appraisal, final walkthrough, closing. Now 1 and 2 close early next week, so you'll see those a little later. Number 1 and 2 close early next week. Number 3, we just wrapped up the inspection. Next stop is the open house. The part of the day that nobody actually shows, the pit stop when you gotta get gas. But hey, how else am I supposed to get to my appointments? This gas station smell like the stomach flu. I'm gonna leave it at that. But as PG as possible. Like, oh my, I might stop filling up before, God, I don't know if I can take it. Like the stomach flu, you know just what I'm talking about. I'm gonna leave it right there.
Was invented by a dreamer named Frank Shields.
All of the time that I've been coming to this property, I never thought to actually park in the designated parking space for this place. But on that note, we are pretty far along in the construction process. The place still needs to be cleaned up. That will be basically the last step before we get someone in here to get it sold. We're showing them now because we show them early and sell them early. So come out to 1538 West Thomas. Check us out. I won't show you the inside unless you come. So come check out this new luxury listing. So at this point, the open house is open. All the lights are on now. We just basically wait for visitors to come by. I got the signs out. I'm expecting someone to be here at 12:30. It's 11 or 12:15. We go into 12:30. It's 11:30 right now. So why not enjoy the outdoors? You can actually hear the neighbors working on some stuff. So I'm gonna enjoy this good weather. Officially closed. On to the next open house. This one should be good. Last open house of the day. It's been super busy already, but we have a 3-bed, 3-bath. It's a penthouse unit right here on Winchester, just north of Augusta, south of Division. Due Division Fest is going on right now. I'm likely gonna get a chance to go out and check that out soon. But then right before that, I'm gonna head out to my rental showings that I have today. So stay with me. And that, my friends, is a wrap on this open house. Time to go around, turn off these lights, get to this next appointment. I'm sure if you were outside today, you noticed all the open house signs. Open house season is in full effect with the weather being so great, especially on a day like today. But as you all know, we do them all year round. So that's why we know what sign to actually look for. It's a great day to just be out and walking. Getting all kind of crazy looks from people. I'm talking to myself. That's okay. Got my little camera rig set up so everybody's looking like, what is he doing? Just creating content, that's all. Everybody knows content is king. right? Out of sight, out of mind. It's not where you want to be in this business, or in general, really. We all have something to offer. We're all looking for something that can be offered to us. So, next appointment. Short pit stop into the office to grab the keys to these next two appointments. Hey, keys are got. Now, to drive like a madman to this appointment. So I'm here waiting on my appointment. Someone's walking up. Hopefully that's her. Let's see if they stop in front. She's meeting somebody, and no. Looks like I gotta get on the phone and call this person. She's 5 minutes late at this point, which is not too bad, actually. But it does kind of suck when you got a day as packed to the T as mine. So, phone call time. Here at the next appointment, waiting for the client. OA Lux, 1650 West Adams. They are beautiful luxury apartment buildings. Luxury apartments for rent. Today we're seeing number 412. So that's that on OA Lux. Now to get out and show an apartment to one of the guys from grammar school. It was interesting because I was showing the place to another agent, and it was for him. So I think that was one of the first times he's had that happen, where he had another agent showing him a place for him. So he said it was a little weird for him. So we both kind of shared that little moment, like, wow. But I've done it before. Not too crazy. But now I'm headed to the west side. I got one more rental appointment. Got 12 minutes to get there. It's probably a 10-minute drive. But as I've told you once before, my day is super packed, so I don't have time to sit around and wait for anything. So off we go. That appointment was short and sweet. You get in, you open the door, show the place, they like it. Next step is applying. So follow-up is coming with more information for them. We get them an application, get them into this place, and another happy client, another happy long-time friend at that. So that makes it just that much sweeter. So this appointment should have been the end of my day, especially with the can we reschedule later person. She hasn't responded to me. I asked her could she do Wednesday, but I got no word back yet. So I will see what she's talking about. But my day is not over because I got a call from another agent in the office who needs me to cover a showing at our listing. He usually covers most of those there, but he's not available today, so he asked me to cover it. Of course, being the co-lister there, I'm gonna cover it. So stay with me as this day continues. And by the way, I know I said sun up to sundown, and the sun is still up, but we still got time, and I still got other things that I could be doing to go sun up to sundown today. So stay with me. So that's a wrap on the showings for the day. Wow, I actually think that we're gonna get an offer on this place. They really liked a lot about it. They spent a good amount of time here, had some good questions, and usually that means Percy sold it. But now the fun begins. We got the NBA Finals tonight, Game 2. Some special things happening with that come later next week, early next week, but later in terms of today. But again, let's get to it. Pit stop to my mom's. That was the final stop before the end of the day. Sun is still out. But that might change by the time I get home, so then that would still be sun up to sundown. Let's go. Let's get ready for Game 2. Ready for Game 2. My prediction was Warriors in 6, Raptors winning game. Warriors in 5, Raptors winning Game 1. So far, the prophet has spoken. That's a wrap. Home. Sun is on its way down. What a day, what a day, what a day. Look who I'm with. She don't want to be on camera today. She brand new today. Let's face this way. Ooh. I had nothing else to say. This is the sign off. It's been a long day. I'm ready to go watch the game. Peace.